Yeah, tell me say this man go up on a spree, kill a man over egg, and have a long drawn out 5 or 4 hour shootout with police. I wanna glorify him on a sick stomach, on a sick stomach, on a sick stomach, on a sick stomach. Una glorify a man will take another man's life, and based on some people, me don't know how you go, but some people say 2 more other people, but we're sure about the one man where they are selling egg. The one man where they are trying to make a living for himself and possibly in family. You take him life because you feel like you if you pay him or you want to pay him for him goods. I wanna glorify him. Silk Boss sing song about him. On a sick stomach, on a sick stomach. Yeah, boy, I don't know. Maybe me lame. Maybe that's just the thing. On a sick stomach, see me. On a sick stomach, and let me tell you something. If you find yourself surrounding yourself with people that glorify someone like that, I would advise you to remove yourself from their surrounding. I would advise you to remove them from around you. Such people are dumb, they are immoral, they see a laughter more important than life itself, and they will one day sink you because they have nothing about them. I mean, I'm dead serious, people. It's sickening, it's disgusting. It is disgusting. Who now make excuse I sing song about him, I talk about one brown man badness. On a sick stomach, man. Phone appearance never have one. Phone appearance should have put on condom.